Welcome back to your science class. In the previous video, I explained about concave lens and convex lens. A convex lens usually is a converging lens. And why it is called a converging lens? Because it converges the light rays. As you can see here in the figure, the light rays are falling on the convex lens, and what is it doing? After hitting the lens, it converges to one point. That means it is bending inwards. So that is why convex lens is also called as a converging lens, whereas a concave lens diverges. Diverges means fell gaya. It is bending outward. So a concave lens is also called as a diverging lens. That is the reason that in a convex lens, in the previous activity you learned that if you take a sheet of paper and then you take a convex lens and put it in the path of sun rays, when you hold it for a few minutes, what will happen? The paper will start burning. What is the reason? The simple reason is that the convex lens is converging. All the sun rays are converging to one point, and that is why the paper starts burning. Clear, children? Now we come to the same experiment which we did with the concave mirror and the convex mirror. Here, instead of concave mirrors and convex mirror, we are taking the lens. Okay, we will take the convex lens at different places. As you can see in the we have studied already about mirrors. Now here we will study about the convex lens. What you have done, you have taken a convex lens and you can see here you have taken a convex lens and you have fixed it on a stand. Okay, and then what do you have to do? You have to place it on a table or on the ground or anywhere. Okay, and you have to try to obtain the images. When you try to obtain the images, see, you can see here you are getting very small image, but as you move the mirror closer to the object, this is the object here, when you are moving the lens closer to the object, what will you obtain? The image obtained on the screen is the size of the image is getting bigger in size. Okay, and here also in the same way you can see here the virtual image is formed by convex lens and image formed by a concave lens. Concave lens will form a real image. So children, see, it is a little bit confusing, but the very easy method of learning is that you can learn any one. Okay, you can learn the characteristic of any one. For example, if you are learning the characteristic of convex mirror, what was the characteristic of convex mirror? I told you that it is the image formed by a convex mirror is virtual, it is erect, and it is smaller in size. Okay, and the same characteristics are shown by a concave lens. Clear, children? The same characteristic is formed by a concave lens. So that means the characteristics formed by a convex mirror and a concave lens is the same. So the concave lens will show virtual, erect, and an image which is smaller in size. Okay, so if you are learning convex mirror, you can relate it with the same characteristic will be for concave lens also, and whatever are the characteristics of convex mirror, the opposite will be of the concave mirror. See, here it is virtual, it can be either real or virtual. Here it is erect, here it can be either erect or inverted. It is depending on the distance. Okay, then it is smaller in size. Here it can be same or larger or smaller than the object. Here when you are bringing it very close, it will be very larger. But here it is smaller in size. Okay, so you learn only one convex mirror, then you can just write the opposite. Concave mirror will be the opposite, and convex mirror and concave lens will have the same characteristics. Clear, children? So this way you can learn. Okay, now we come to the last topic, that sunlight, whether it is white or colored. You all must have seen the rainbow in the sky after it rains, isn't it? How many colors are present in the rainbow? Do you know, children, how many colors are there? I think you must be knowing that in the rainbow contains 7 color. Okay, what is it? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. And what is it called as? It is also called as Vibgyor. It is easy to learn if you learn Vibgyor. Okay, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. These are the 7 colors. Okay, so actually the white color, the sunlight is white in color, but what is happening when it passes through? See, when it rains, whenever there is rain, what happens? And after when it is after raining, what happens is that in the atmosphere there are droplets of water. Okay, water droplets are present in the atmosphere. For example, see, these are the water droplets. Now what happens is when the sunlight comes and hits this water droplet, after hitting this water droplet, it splits into 7 colors. Okay, so these are the 7 colors which you can see in the sky as a rainbow. So actually the sunlight is white in color. Okay, or the white light contains 7 color. It contains 7 colors in it. That is why when it comes and hits the droplets, you all know that after rain there is moisture in the atmosphere, and because of this moisture, the sunlight comes and hits the water droplets which are present in the atmosphere, and then the sunlight splits into its 7 color. So basically white light consists of 7 colors, and whenever it goes and hits any you can say any plain surface, or whenever it goes and hits water droplets, it will split into its 7 colors. Okay, you might have seen CD. Have you seen CD, children? CD cassettes, if it is placed in the sun or if it is placed in the tube light, the CD cassette will also show 7 colors. Okay, so this is how, and this you can see by doing an activity. Okay, what you have to do, you have to take a cardboard and then you have to paste a white paper on it. After pasting a white paper, you have to divide it into 7 parts and you have to color all the 7 colors of rainbow, Vibgyor, as I told you. Okay, 7 colors of the rainbow, you have to color it, and then what you have to do, you can put a pencil, you can make a hole in the middle, you can put a pencil or a pen, and then what you have to do, you have to rotate it. Okay, rotate it with full speed, and then what will happen when you rotate it with full speed, you will see that slowly all these 7 colors gets mixed up and the dish or the disc will appear totally white in color. Okay, and this kind of disc is known as Newton's disc. Okay, this is called as a Newton's disc. Okay, and this so what does this prove? This proves that white color is made up of 7 colors. Okay, so this is that is why you can see, this is the basic reason that you can see rainbow in the sky. So why do you see rainbow in the sky? The reason is that the sunlight is splitting into its 7 colors. So I hope, children, that this chapter is clear to all of you. Please read the chapter thoroughly, and there may be some difficulties while learning the characteristics of concave lens mirrors and convex lens and mirrors. So it is given here in what you have learned. You can learn very easily from here. Okay. See here, it is given images formed by a convex mirror is erect, virtual and smaller in size, and you can see the same is given for a concave lens. See, I told you the characteristics are same, na? Concave lens and convex mirror. Okay, so if there is a problem, you can learn from what you have learned. With this, your chapter is over, children. Thank you.